Video 3, Chapter 7 and 8, Decimals Study Guide. Okay, very similar to something on the test. Nathan jogged on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, he's healthy. He jogged 4 55/100 kilometers on Monday. Ooh, let's write that down. Here's information we need, right? We know on Monday he jogged 4 55/100 kilometers. Okay, good news. Oh, and 1 78/100 kilometers farther on Tuesday than on Monday. Okay, so now we've got Tuesday. He jogged 1 78/100 farther. That would mean more than what he jogged on Monday. So plus Monday, which was 4 55/100. Okay. And then it asks, what was the distance he jogged on both days? Well, some of you in class just added those two digits together, but that would just be what he ran for Tuesday, because remember, on Tuesday he ran that much further than what he ran on Monday. So we have two problems to solve for, right? 4 55/100 plus 1 78/100. To properly add decimals, I must line up my decimal. Then I can forget about it and add as normal, as long as I'm paying attention to my place columns, right? Okay, so I've got 13 there, 12 plus 1, 13, 5, 6. 6 33/100. Now again, remember, this is just Tuesday. Then to that, I also have to add back in what he ran for Monday. And that would give you the final answer. Make sure you label kilometers, right? You might even want to write for Monday and Tuesday. Okay, what other word problems? Oh, I know what's on the test. We've spent a lot of time with these number lines, okay? And we know that this, if we look here, it's only got one digit to the right of the decimal, which means we're talking about tenths. So what is the space in between tenths? There's 10 ticks there, right? So each one of these then is hundredths. Okay? So in this case, it says mark an X to show where 1900ths is located on the number line. Well, if I look at this number here, it's a 1. So it's in between somewhere, in between 1/10 and 2/10. So I would actually go, here's my 1/10, oh my goodness, how do I say this? Sorry, 11/100, 12/100. And so this is where 1900ths is going to be, right? One tick before you get to 200ths. Because what happens if you added another hundredth here? If I said plus 100th, that place column grows and we end up at 200ths. I hope that makes sense. Okay. Best of luck to you, Nerdy Nog Dogs.